Oh, one of yay, let's put it together. I get to do a bit of puppy stalking. Let's do this. Let's put this together. This is my rebounder from Leaps and Rebounds. I will put the link in the description box, and I'm also going to be doing tons of workouts with their trampolines. So thank you to Leaps and Rebounds for sending me this. I'm so excited. The legs come in this box. 2, 4, 6 legs. The manual. Put on the bands easier. These, I think they mentioned that to me, so give that a try. Yay, let's put it together. What I loved is that they had a few color options to choose from, and they had one of my favorite colors, so yippee, I'm excited to put this together and hop on. I don't know if any of you are like me, but I do everything by looking up YouTube videos to see how to put things together. So thankfully there's already a video on how to put it together. First, I'm gonna put the frame together, so let's do that first. Gonna take it out of the packaging. This is also a good workout. You just squeeze these two and push it in, and it snaps right in. Oh, that didn't work. Let me try that again. If it doesn't work on the first try, just wiggle it around. Ugh. Oh, come on. Oh, that's not working. Okay, let's try this again. You guys can do it. Oh, that's not working out. Oh, I'm already hot. Oh, gosh. I'm still trying to get this last one in the hole, but I'm just looking at my workout space and I'm loving all the colors. It's all coming together, even with my outfit. I love it. Okay, so if this trick doesn't work, I'm gonna try rearranging the three things, but I have some olive oil here. I'm gonna hope that this works. I finally managed to get it together. What I had to do was pull it up and I had to hit it. But definitely if you have problems with it, just take them all out and rearrange them. That worked for me. And then pulling it up and kind of like trying to hit it a little bit, that worked. It's actually very easy to put together, so let's get the bands on now. These are bungees, so you hook them underneath first. If you see, there's two sides to it. This is the bottom part. So this is hooked on the bottom, then pull this through and hook it on the top. It'll get harder as you go around. You're actually not supposed to go around in a direct circle. You're supposed to go opposite sides. So from here you go over there and do one, and then do the sides and continue doing that all the way around. You don't go all the way around that way. Keep these on top, so when you flip it over, this is the first thing you see. It shouldn't be on this side. I felt like this activity called for workout pants, so you get workout pants now. Here we go, let's start. I forgot I'm supposed to be using this. Oh, this is hard. Wait a minute. I heard when you get around to few, it gets harder, but I'm only on the 4th one, so let me try and figure that out. Okay, so this thing really did help. I just pulled it with this and it helped a lot, so I'm gonna continue with this little applicator. They actually just added this, so it does work. Good job. Now that I have all 4 on, I'm gonna go back around and continue the process. What I'm doing as I put them in is making sure this is at the top, and I'm actually making sure it's kind of in the middle. That way they don't hit this or this. I don't want this to make noise. I was looking at some comments from someone else's video, and I think maybe this hitting that was making some noise or hitting something, so. It's actually getting a lot easier to put on, so don't give up. And it's definitely easier when you sit in the middle and do it, so. I actually don't need the applicator right now. It's getting really easy. And they say the more you put on, the easier it gets. It's just that beginning stage when you're trying to attach them that it gets a bit tight. But it's coming along well. Coming along well. Just don't have your nails done, freshly done, and thankfully I don't. I'm gonna do that today, but I would be scratching off my nail polish because that's what's happening now. Let me try this again. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but this is actually really nice. I put this around the hook on top, and then if you go like this, it actually, Oh my gosh, it goes on so easily. Okay, I thought I didn't need this, but it actually, especially for some of the difficult ones, and considering I'm clumsy and kind of scratched my finger a little bit. I've seen some people get injured, so that makes it so much easier. I thought that little helper was not necessary, but so if you take it like that and then pull it through and then pull it. Oh, let me adjust. I want that silver thing on the side. That is so easy. I'm not sure if it's made to be that way, but I feel like I kind of figured it out on my own and haven't read any instructions on that. Oh yeah, that's so much easier. When you get to the end, it starts getting really tight, so that's when this comes in handy. The only thing I found a bit off by doing it that way is that if you see this one, this is the one I did without pulling it with this. These two, on the other hand, you can kind of see that they look a bit twisted compared to these. So I'm not sure if there's something I can do about that. But I'm sure it's fine. They're bungees, so they can be a bit twisted, but maybe I can like realign them. There we go. You can see it's kind of straightening out. Okay, last one. After doing this, I feel like a professional. It's actually a very easy trampoline to assemble. Just had a few little things to work out, but it's actually really easy. There we go. Yay! That was actually not too difficult and it came out nice, so I can't wait to flip it over after I put on the legs. Woo! Oh, one of the things popped off. Maybe I didn't have it on too good. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this is good. There's no sound. Ooh. Oh, I love it. I actually don't jump with no shoes or socks. I always wear socks and shoes. When I jump, I'll be wearing those. I'm excited to have a very good trampoline. For those of you who don't know, I actually injured my ankle in Korea many years ago. I think it was 2013. I injured my ankle on the trampoline, but it was because it was one of those squeaky trampolines that my students had, and it was like rusty and not a good bounce. So I'm excited to have an actual, this is my actual first good quality, but this one has no sound. I'm so excited. Oh, it feels so light. Oh, it feels so good, you guys. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Leaves and Rebounds. Yay. Oh, you guys hear it? There's no sound. All you hear is the material rubbing up against itself. Yay. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay. That will go out for trash. Now I'm gonna take some photos of some items for my online shop. I will leave the link in the description box if you guys want to look around and see if there's anything you like. I like secondhand items, so I hope you guys enjoy some of the pieces I have. It's a nice breezy day today in Orange County. I'm gonna put this out there and take some photos of some of the items out here. It's nice and breezy. Look at that. I've been enjoying the sound. I'm using these falafel burgers. I got mine a bit dark, but throw that on there. Might be able to add some carrots. Oh, I have onion. So cute. If only I had barbecue sauce, that would be a great addition. I just made a really small salad. It's tiny, but it has some kale, spinach, onions, mushrooms, carrots, and I think that's it. Ooh, I should throw some seeds on it. But I'm gonna do what I do best. Throw some ranch on it. Cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure, if you haven't already, if you would like to work, teach, or live abroad, check out my Skype consultations in the description box. If you would like to support my channel, be sure to check the link for my Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.